Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Nah, 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 nah. Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Da, 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 da. Hey everybody, this is Brett. Hey Chakra, how are they doing, baby? Look at that hairball. That is my healthy girl. Check it out. I am steaming all locally, and the kale is from my garden food. Yellow crookneck from my local gardener people, and some garlic. They're these long garlicky things. I can't remember what they're called. They're not shallots. And two kinds of kale. Blue kale. Yes, I have blue kale. It's kind of a bluish color. And red Russian kale. Russian! And it's not quite done yet. But yes, I'm so psyched. I've got parsley now. Here, I'll just take you out there. I'm in you. Okay, so check it out. My celery is coming right along nicely. Mountain celery. That'll grow to be like up there. And my broccoli is doing awesome. I just weeded and trimmed the bottom ones off of there. And pretty soon there'll be a head growing right out of there. Okay, these are getting picked today. I am going to make me a salad. Is that cool or what? This stuff is pretty spicy. But man, it's nice, isn't it? I'm in you. You're in me. I'm in you. Ooh, you're in me. 'Cause you gave me the love that I never had. Is that nice or what? That's the salad. Let's have a little bit more. Yeah, you gave me the love that I never had. Yeah, baby. Okay. So, I really need to eat some chard here. Definitely need to pick some of that as soon as I'm hungry. And it's time to pick some parsley. We're gonna put some parsley in our salad. Picking it off the bottom there. So nice. This is really good parsley too. I just had a sprig of it a few minutes ago. That's as fresh as it gets, baby. Okay. I gotta keep working on these trellises. One of my plants over there fell over already. And I've only got 5 done so far. These trellises are kind of a lot of work. And if you don't get them done, then the tomatoes fall over and they kink. But this is what the blue kale looks like. Isn't that looking nice? And most people have seen red Russian kale. See, it's got the red stems, but isn't that kind of a bluish color with a red stem? Man, look how pretty that is. And this is those colored green things, and these are ready to be picked now. They're called Rosa, let's see, Romanesco. Very Italian-ish, huh? And look how good my cabbages are looking. Man, pretty soon those are gonna start to ball up, you know? And also, my red cabbages. Now that one's got some munchies on it there, but most of these are pretty good. Most of those are looking pretty good. I gotta keep up with the weeding, you know? I just leave them there to keep it shaded so that the other ones won't grow. See that? Yeah. I don't care where I go when I'm with you. Right, okay. So there you go. I'm getting very tan. I'm a tan man. Pretty nice looking legs for an old dude, huh? Not a bad belly. Less and less viruses. See all those little white spots? Less and less of that constantly, and smoother and smoother. Check out the back. Can you see my back? It's looking good, huh? So anyways, life is good here at the homestead. Check that out. I'm refurbishing an outhouse. Want to check it out? We rolled it out. I found this neighbor. I got this neighbor that I kind of like, kind of a good dude. And yeah, Ethan and I created a little trail through the woods there. Cut that down with my scythe. And then we rolled it. And now I'm just kind of fixing it because it's all kind of rotten on the bottom. But I was thinking that it would be good to have a little outhouse here in case I had some kind of a massage retreat, you know? And people could camp out. You think that'd be cool? People could just camp here. Cut down some little areas with the scythe and like that right there. And you get yourself a little outhouse. It's got a door. I'll have to show it to you. Yeah, see there? Put the bucket under there with some sawdust in there. So there you go. There you go. All is well here at the homestead. How are you doing? And yeah, it's good to get some food coming out of that garden. Thanks for joining me. Hey, there's something I forgot to tell you, and that is that I want all of you to be sleeping on one of my millet hull pillows. I'm serious, they're like so incredible. Look at the reviews on my site. Everyone gave them 5 stars and rants and raves about them, and they'll never go back to sleeping on any other kind of pillow. They're just absolutely incredible. And they support your head, neck, and shoulders so awesomely. You'll sleep better, you'll feel better. You've got to be sleeping on one of my millet hull pillows. And I'm leaving them on sale because I want you all to buy one. They're $10 off, they're only $65, and they last for a long, many years. A lot longer than those foam pieces of crap. Better than buckwheat, better than Cape hook. whatever that is. And I check out this river. I come down here and I sit. And when I get really hot from working in the garden, I just get in the water. Right now it's a little bit too cold to fully dip, but man, it's so nice. Hey Chakra, what do you think? What do you think, baby? You see, are you shy? You're my shy girl. I was thinking this morning, when I was a kid, I would have loved to live in this situation that I'm in, because I'd have just come down here and built dams and played in the water and stuff. And yeah, so I should just do that. I have a lot of Leo, and Leo is very childish, as you can tell. So nice. Thanks for joining me.